Hello guys, in this video I am just going to explain if you forget your password on your Nintendo Switch account, it's very simple. You can easily reset your password. So in Switch 2 I am going to do the same. On this login screen, right, you can see the options forget your password. So I am going to tap it, forget your password. So which type of account do you use? So I need to tap that. Sorry, it's not a child account. Going back, so it's an Nintendo account. I need to tap it. So here we need to provide the email ID which I am using. Then tap send email. So email has been sent. Check your email ID. So I have received an email for password change. So I need to tap it and then I need to set it. So you need to provide the date of birth or nickname. Okay. So if you have your existing mail, right, if you forget date of birth and nickname, you can check your previous mail. Okay. Just go to your Gmail or Outlook, which email you are using, just search it. Okay. So just search Nintendo account creation. Okay, just search Nintendo account creations. So I have got it. Okay, so I'm going to tap it. Here the nickname is given. It's I have given as wiki test. So I'm going to use that. Search Nintendo account creations like that, and then the recent mail. So password change. If you remember your date of birth, just give that, or nickname also you can give it. I'm going to give the nickname. So here key test, right? Yes, that's it. Once you can submit, right, you will be able to reset your password. So now I'm going to set the new password. So I have given the new password, then submit. That's it, friends. New password has been set. So my Nintendo Switch account password is set. So now I am able to log in now. So here you can simply log in with your account, or you can scan, use a scanner. So you can go back. So this one I need to scan it. I'm going to use the camera. Okay. So link is opened. I agree. Yes, select this account because already I have logged in. You need to provide your user ID and password and then select this account. So I need two confirmation, right? Give the confirmation code 52164. I need to enter here 52164. Give OK. So that's it, friends. This is my ID. Super cool. I have successfully reset my password. That's it, friends. I have successfully logged in with my account. So now you can use it. So going back, that's it, friends. Now you can enter Nintendo Switch, Nintendo eShop.